Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to be showing you my portfolio once again for the halfway through the month. Things have been up and down, but that's normal. Right now we're having a lot of problems with tariffs and all this stuff going with China and Donald Trump. So let's get on with the video. Now before we start the video, I'm going to go ahead and open up one of the free stocks from one of you guys using my referral code. So let's get into that first. Click that. All right, which one should I pick? I feel like I always go for the middle one, so I'm gonna go for this left one and see what happens right here. Oh, okay. We got a Sprint, it looks like. That's amazing. Thank you for whoever signed up with my referral right there. I got a Sprint. It's worth $5.94, so thank you very much. All right, so thank you guys for using my referral code. I really appreciate you guys using it, and I hope more people sign up for Robinhood, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here's my portfolio. As you can see, right now it's pre-market. It's 40 minutes or 50 minutes before market opens. So I'm down already $17 pre-market. The market is about 100 points down, I believe. So right now, my investment, I have $5,128.27. For the week, I am up, I believe. Yeah, I'm up $40.53. For the month, I am up $58.38. And then for the 3 months, I am up $127.46. It's been a bumpy ride, as you can see right here. Pretty much right away, I was already at how much I am now. And then right here in April, I was up it was actually like 350, but it's not showing it on the graph right here. But it says 300, and then this is all the tariff talk. Like it'll go down, and then it jump back up, and then it's going back down. But yeah, let's get into the stocks now. So the first thing in my portfolio is a Disney call. Actually, it's a $180 Disney call. It was actually really good right here May 8th. I could have sold for some profit, but after that, it's just been sinking. I'm hoping that this is going to go back up because we still have second quarter earnings, we have third quarter earnings. We have a lot of things coming up. We have Disney Plus coming out, in November, so I'm hoping that this spikes up at some point. But I have one contract that's valued at $79. Negative $57 on it, about 42% down. Average cost was $1.36, which is $136. All right, so now we're going to be talking about these stocks that I have. So here's Microsoft. Microsoft's doing pretty well, but things are keeping it down right now. I actually averaged down. I sold this when the trade tariffs and all started going on because this was sinking. I sold it and I bought it at a cheaper price, so now I'm actually doing a lot better even on it. I'm up $24, which is about 2%, but technically I'm up a little bit more because I already sold it from the past when I had a price. Now I have 10 shares at an average of $124. So yeah, Microsoft, very good. I love Microsoft. This is a very, very good long-term hold for me. We have Disney right here. Disney, ever since the Disney had its event, pretty much when it went up to like 140, 142, it's been kind of in this channel 135 to like 136. So I own 10 shares of Disney at an average of $125.92. Up about $75.83, which is about 6% profit. Then we have Apple. Apple, I just added this to my portfolio this month actually. I noticed, it went down from that $212 price range. So I'm thinking it was a good buy right here, and I got one share at $186.90. I'm down about $3, 1.6% on this one, but I'm sure this is going to come back up. Apple is a great hold. All right, next we have Starbucks. Starbucks is one of my favorite holds actually. I feel very good with this one. It was at an all-time high the other day actually. I have 7 shares at a average of $75.88. My total return is $8.52, 1.6% return. This is something I'm going to be holding for a long time as well because Starbucks, everybody needs their coffee. All right, then we have my REITs. So here we go. O is the ticker symbol for this one, Realty Income. I have 10 shares at an average of $69.67. I'm down $6.22, about 0.9%. Now this is a dividend hold, so I just get paid dividends from this one, so it doesn't really matter to me how much it goes up or down. I'm doing fine with this. I get, income from the dividend. Now here's another one of my REITs. This is Store Capital. This one's actually pretty much at all-time highs as well. I have 19 shares at an average of $32.97. I'm up $20.18, which is about 3.22%. and this is also dividends, so I get paid dividends from this stock, which is very good, and it's especially good that I got that good price because I'm up 3% on it at least, and I'm getting dividends as well every year I get dividends from it. Now right here we have another dividend stock that I'm holding, like Warren Buffett does, Coca-Cola. I have 2 shares of Coke for average of $47.96. My total return is $1.20, which is about 1.25%. I get dividends from Coke. This is a great hold for long term, forever pretty much. And then we have, I believe this is my last dividend stock right here, Gladstone Capital. This is, it pretty much stays in the same price range. I have 22 shares at an average of 9.33. $9.33. Total return is $2.16, which is about 1%. But this is another one of my dividends, so I'm very happy with this one. Now, right here we have Ford. Ford, I guess you could say, is also a dividend, but this is I just bought this one for fun. Ford's doing very, very well. I got 2 shares at an average of $9.32. My total return is $1.70, which is about 9.12%. Very good return for me, but I only have 2 shares, so it doesn't really affect me much. Now we have one of my biggest enemies, but one of my favorite stocks right now. You guys know I used to have Nphase Energy in my portfolio, and I really, really regret selling it because I would have made like 100% profit on it. I only have 2 shares right now at an average of $10.04. I used to have them at like $8, I believe, average cost. Now, my total return on this is $9.60 at almost 48% profit. Like that's almost 50% right there, and I even had it for a better buy before, so it would have been great. I really regret selling this one. Solar energy, solar panels, but what can you do? I kind of wanted to get back into it, but you never know what's going to happen. I believe this is going to be a very good stock for the future. I actually wanted to buy November $15 calls at like $200 each, but I didn't. All right, right here we have Sprint actually. So Sprint went up like 20% the other day with like merger talk with T-Mobile. I had 2 of these, but I sold one. This was one of the stocks I got for free, so you can't really tell how much I made, but this went up the other day, which was great. I sold one. I had 2 of them. We're here. We have Groupon, another stock that I got for free from you guys, so thank you for that. And then the last one is Sirius XM, which is also from you guys. I got 2 of those at an average of what, $11. So thank you guys for using my referral code. That's why I got those. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the week, and then I'll see you guys hopefully at the end of this month and the beginning of June. If you guys enjoyed these videos, go ahead and make sure you leave a thumbs up button. Make sure you press the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you can get notified of all my uploads. I'm going to be making some very good videos coming up, so I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.